21 bucks. Alright guys, so this is everything that I picked up from the Adidas factory outlet. Very light. They had a lot of great sales. It's pretty much about 50% off on just about everything in the store, except for the shoes and certain other items. The Ultra Boosts were pretty, well, they weren't pretty pricey, but you couldn't apply any additional discounts to them. They had some really nice ones for about 90 bucks and 130, but I had to pass on those. I'm not looking for shoes at the moment, but check this out. T-shirts were 50% off, so I got it for about what, 17. It was about $7.50. So I got that for about $7.50. I also got these for, what is that? Half off, so about $8 and then $8. Look at the total here. So I was able to apply the 50% off plus an additional 20% for a military discount. And everything after taxes came out to about 21 bucks. So pretty good deal for all these 3 items. These are all going to be personal keeps. And yeah, so that's my first Adidas factory outlet video. Go ahead and hit the like button. Follow me for more.